Hello, welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, EU resolution to implement tough targets for plastics recycling, American Chemistry Council backs plastics waste to oil opportunities, Vadxx secures funding for commercial scale plastics to oil facility in Ohio, and has the worm turned for waste management at Charlotte Douglas Airport. MEPs have called for ambitious EU action to collect and recycle significantly more waste plastics. A resolution voted on this week by the European Parliament has called for most hazardous plastics and certain plastic bags to be banned by 2020. The resolution was a call for action on a European Commission Green Paper and urged for plastic waste recycling targets. MEPs proposed that specific binding targets for collecting and sorting up to 80% of waste should be included in EU law. The members also noted that with just 25% of plastic wastes currently being recycled, the economic potential for recycling plastics is still largely unexploited. The resolution was passed by a show of hands. And it's not just in Europe where the issue of plastics waste has been the hot topic of the week. Across the Atlantic, the American Chemistry Council has formed a new group within its plastics division. The group will work to enhance public policy in support of processes able to convert non-recycled plastics into petroleum-based products. The new Plastics to Oil Alliance will work to increase awareness and enhance the sector's influence through expanded membership and an expanded network of allies. The AAC said that the new alliance will complement its existing programs to reduce, recover, reuse and recycle plastics. While we're looking at the topic of converting waste plastics to oil, Cleveland, Ohio-based Vadxx Energy has closed on financing for its first commercial-scale plastic waste to oil facility. The company explained that its 1/50th scale pilot facility has already been operating for several years, allowing it to optimise its cooking process. The facility also enabled it to test future plastic feedstocks and to educate investors. With its new investment from private equity firm Liberation Capital, the company has now entered into an agreement to develop its first commercial scale plant. The facility will be developed in Akron, Ohio, and is due to come online in early 2015. And finally, away from waste plastics, Charlotte Douglas Airport in North Carolina is using over 1 million worms to produce fertiliser from waste. Waste collected from the buildings and aircraft is first sorted at a new recycling facility before being ground down into worm food. However, according to a recent report by Charlotte WCNC, not all is well at the wormery. There have reportedly been concerns that the centre, which was supposed to save money, is costing over $500,000 a year to operate, 28% above budget. The operators, meanwhile, are confident that a few tweaks will turn the situation around. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.